Hello my loves and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup look using a brand new eyeshadow palette that I think I got last week. So it's brand new in my makeup collection. Okay, so I saw these little eyeshadow, they are actually little. I saw these little eyeshadow palettes all over social media and I decided to try them out myself. So these are the ones that I'm talking about. They are by e.l.f. Cosmetics. They're like super mini sized eyeshadow palettes and they are called bite-sized eyeshadow. So I decided to get two of them and I think I saw 4 different kinds, but I only got 2 because I just want to try them out and see how they are, and if I really do like them I will go back and get the other 2. So I just want to quickly show you guys the ones that I did get. So I got this one. It's called Cream and Sugar. So it's like your brown tone colors. You do get 2 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. And the second one that I did get is called Rose Water. So it's like your blush color. And you also get like a dark purple shade as well. This comes with 3 different shimmer shades, and then it comes with 1 matte shade as well. So for today's video, guys, I am going to be using this one right here. It's called Cream and Sugar, so it's like the brown colors. I'm really excited. For today's video, guys, I'm just going to show you the eye look that I create using the eyeshadow palette, and I might show you my lips as well. I also got a new lipstick product, which I will show you guys when we get to that step. So I'm going to do just the eyes and the lips on camera, and then everything else off camera. But at the end of the video, I will show you guys all the different products that I used, and I will have all the makeup details listed below in the description box. So guys, if you want to see the look that I do come up with using this cute little mini-sized eyeshadow palette, I'm so excited, guys, not gonna lie. But if you want to see the look that I do come up with using it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did prep my skin already. I will quickly show you guys what I used. I did first use the Olay Luminous Whip I can't talk today. Okay, so the first product that I did use was the Olay Luminous Whip moisturizer with SPF 25. This is my go-to day moisturizer, morning or during the day moisturizer. I love it so much. It's a great product. And then I did prime my face using the Morphe Equalizer face primer. I'm going to be priming my eyelids now, guys. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I just like to use my ring finger first just to apply the product all over the lid. Alright guys, so now it's time to set that base. I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Powder in NC20. And what I do is I just take the sponge that comes with the product and just tap it on top. Alright guys, so now it's time to go into this palette. I'm going to quickly show you guys inside. So this is how it looks like. The 2 end shades are matte. This shade right here and this one are matte, and then the 2 middle shades are shimmer. Okay, so we're going to go into the lightest shade first, right here, and basically just put that all over our crease. So this color is really light, so you won't be able to see it too much. But I'm just blending it into the crease, blending it outwards, closer to the brow bone area and back down. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the darker shade, and we're gonna place that basically into the outer part of our eyelid and a little bit in towards the middle. So I used this blending brush first for the really light shade, and now I'm gonna be using just a more dense one. Smaller but more dense for the darker shade. Ooh. Okay, not bad. I'm not really gonna blend it outwards to get a cat eye effect. I'm just going to stay within the shape of my eye. I'm going to take that first shade that we used and just blend out the edge with the darker shade. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. Pick up some of that dark color one more time and kind of pat it in the outer part of my eyelid just to deepen up that corner. And I'm just going to blend it a little bit within that same area. Now it's time to go into a shimmer shade. So we're gonna, oops. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time the palette. So there are two shimmer shades right here. This is more like a gold, and this is kind of like a lighter gold champagne one. And I'm thinking to go into this one. So I'm gonna use my ring finger and I'm going to place this one all over my eyelid. So basically I'm going to go in towards, I'm going to start in the middle of my eyelid and work towards the inner part. Oh wow, that is really pigmented. I like it. So what I like to do is I like to go into my really small brush, pick up some of that shimmer shade and start packing it into the corner where it's hard to go with my finger and bringing it upwards. I'm going to go back into the dark shade and just start blending out the line that I have right here between the two. I'm going to go back into my really small brush, pick up that dark shade and tap the color in the outer part of my eyelid just to darken it up. And I'm going back into the really light shade and just bringing it downwards here just to blend out everything together. Okay, I really do like how this look came out. I'm really happy with it. You could definitely create a wing line if you want. That's what I'm trying to figure out. That is what I'm trying to figure out. This is the one that I've been using recently. It's by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's just their eyeliner pen in the color black. It's such a good one. I got it not too long ago. I just don't know if I want to create a wing line. I'm thinking to not, because I did for my last couple of looks. I think I'm gonna just leave it. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it because I think I just want the focus to be on the eyeshadow palette. I mean, I just want the focus to be on the colors in the eyeshadow palette, so I'm gonna leave it. All right, guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I gotta go do the other eye and then do the rest of my face, and I will be right back when I get to the lippy part. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I finished the rest of my face. I didn't do the lippy part because I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna do it on camera. So I did mention in the beginning of my video that I did get a new lipstick, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys. It's by LA Girl Cosmetics. So it's one of their nude lipstick shades. This one is called Nudie. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. I hope it's focusing. It's such a pretty color. I'm so excited to wear it. Okay, so first things first is to line my lips. I'm gonna use one of my favorite lip liner, guys, ever. It's the Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love. Okay, so I did fill them in a little bit with that lip liner, so now I'm going to go into this lipstick called Nudie. That's really pretty. Okay, so the last step is to set the entire face. I'm going to use my Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It smells so good. Alright guys, that comes to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So yeah guys, I did use this little palette right here by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This one is called Cream and Sugar, and I think my look came out really nice. The colors are really pigmented. They do blend really nicely together. I am very satisfied with the overall look. And I love my new nude lipstick by LA Girl. It's such a pretty shade. Again, it's called Nudie, and that's what I'm wearing on my lips. So definitely, I really do like these little mini eyeshadow palettes by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I think they are totally worth it, guys. I don't remember how much they were. I don't want to give you a number and be totally wrong, but it was really inexpensive. So these are the two that I got. Again, the Cream and Sugar, and then the top one is Rose Water. I am planning to get the other two. I think there was 4 to get all together, so I'm going to get the other ones hopefully in the near future. I'm going to come up a little bit closer so you guys can see how the eye look came out. I really do like it a lot, guys. It's definitely worth it, so I'm really excited to get the other ones. Okay, so before I go, let me quickly show you guys the other products that I used on my face. For foundation, I used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. I love this one so much. For concealer, guys, I used the Revlon Photo Ready Concealer in the shade White. I love this one so much too. It really does conceal the under eyes, brightens it up a little bit. It's really good. And of course, to set the foundation and the concealer, I used obviously my go-to powder, the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Powder in NC20. I'll just quickly show you guys inside. But yeah, this is my favorite powder ever. Also, for my falsies today, guys, I used my Ardell lashes in Demi Wispies. You know they're my favorite ones. Also, for my eyebrows today, I did use my go-to eyebrow product from the drugstore. It's the Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil in the shade Brown. And for my lower waterline, guys, I did line my lower waterline with this eyeliner pencil by Essence in the shade Teddy. So it's a really pretty brown color. For blush, guys, I used the Milk Makeup Cheek and Lipstick in the shade Work. And for highlight today, guys, I went in with my favorite one by the drugstore. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Rose Gold Molten. Oh, and for my lower lashes, guys, I used the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara in the shade Black for my lower lashes. And yeah, I think that is it. If I forgot to say something, like I said, all the makeup details will be listed in the description box down below for you guys. Anyways, that is all I've got to say today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and I'm sure it's going to be a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. Mwah! Take care. Bye.